This is another video in a series of many about creating basic block letters and then embellishing them with wavy lines. So as you can see here, I started out writing a capital EU in a yellow marker, so it's not going to show too much. And then I traced around the outside with a black Sharpie flip chart marker, so it's nice and bold. So that's your basic block letter, so you can stop there if that's all you're looking for. But I wanted to make it a little bit more interesting, and so I'm adding some wavy lines around the edges. As you can see, some are inside the letter, some are outside the letter. And on this one, I'm creating more of kind of a drippy effect. So I've made the lines that are on the vertical sides much narrower than the ones that are on the horizontal lines. So as you can see, the top of the U, I made those lines very uneven and much deeper and bigger or thicker than the ones on the sides. And that gives it a look like it's like there's maybe some like slime or goo or something dripping off of it. So this is a great lettering style to use if you want like for Halloween, or if you have like you're writing the word hot when it's like hot weather or something like that, and you want your letters and your words to emphasize your message. Maybe that something's melting, or it's hot, or something, it's drippy. It's a good style if you're using paint. If you can imagine this in different colors, this can be a fun effect. As you can see, all it is wavy lines, so inside and outside the letter. And as you're drawing those wavy lines to create this effect, if you want it to have a really drippy kind of look, then you can just imagine. It really helps if you imagine something melting and dripping on your letter, and that can help you kind of guide your drippy wavy line kind of look. So as you can see, I'm going back and coloring those in nice and solid, that part in with the drip the drip effect. And as I mentioned in every video in this series, that if you're creating letters to be read from a distance, it's very important that they're big and bold, or thick, dark, so that they can be seen. If they're too thin or too light, you can't see them. Like the U that I started with, that I wrote in yellow, that'll disappear from a distance, which is great for the way that we've used it, but not if you stop with the yellow. So by making these parts of this letter bolder, it's going to be much easier to read, even though it's wavy. And now I really want to emphasize that drippy effect, so I'm adding some little drippy marks. And I actually, as I was doing it, I did not play on these videos at all. So this is kind of more of a doodle demonstration, I guess you could say. And I really don't like the way I did those drips. They look a little, I don't know. There are too many of them for me. And I wish I had put more thought into that. But I mean, it doesn't look bad. It's going to show up from a distance. A lot of those little drip marks that I put, especially on the bottom, are not going to show up from a distance. So it's not, nothing to stress out about. So that's something for you to, hopefully it'll inspire you, give you some new ideas, something new to play with, a new way to use wavy lines with your block letters to create some fun, interesting, different effects that can hopefully help you get your message across much more clearly. So I hope you have fun with it.